Hey guys, it's me Hafiz from Haflizo, and today I'm doing a special unboxing. You can see right here, the package just arrived just now from DHL. Basically, inside this package is a special iPad skin that I ordered online. So I hope you guys like it. We get to this unboxing right now. Get a small knife. Just tear it open like that. Good part. Okay. Just destroy the packet right there. There we go. Let's see. Okay. We just pull up the stuff. Out. Right. There you go. Basically what I ordered is from wwe.com, which is World Wrestling Entertainment. What I ordered from the website basically is this special customized I Bring It skin for the iPad. I've been a fan of The Rock since I started watching wrestling, so I thought I just get this because it looks quite cool. And basically this is actually from Music Skins, but it's exclusively available on wwe.com. It is also available for your iPhone, iPod Touch, Nintendo DS, and also a few other phones, or maybe other tablets. So yeah, basically this is it. I'm not going to show you the application process because it's going to take hours for me to put it on. So once I have put it on, I will review it for you guys and let you guys know whether it is high quality or is cheap material kind of stuff. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.